Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have Market Cipher installed and funds ready. Now align the indicator with your plan. First, pick a time frame that matches your horizon. Day trades on 1H, swing trades on 4H or daily. Next, confirm oscillator and wave modules are visible and default settings loaded. Once done, enable alerts for major signals and load a clean chart with volume and EMA overlays. Make sure to size positions using 1-2% risk rules and mark your stop and target before entry. You see a signal, now verify. When Market Cipher shows a green wave and a bullish oscillator cross, check that money flow and VWAP confirm buying pressure. If they do, the trade has confluence. Conversely, ignore isolated colored dots without volume confirmation. Once trend aligns with EMA ribbon, price above 8 and 21 EMAs, enter on a pullback near support. Use limit entries and staggered entries if needed. If conditions weaken, scale out rather than hold blindly to preserve capital. You must have an exit plan before entering. Start with a stop below the recent swing low or use ATR for a volatility-based stop. Then set partial profit taking at risk, reward levels like 1, 1 and 2, 1. Once price moves strongly, trail stops to lock gains. If Market Cipher gives frequent whipsaws, make sure to increase confirmation, require volume/VWAP agreement, higher timeframe trend check, or longer EMA alignment. If problems persist, pause live trading and backtest adjusted filters until the signal quality improves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.